Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the carrier voicemail is active. This is the only way to receive voicemail on a Samsung. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three dots. Make sure call settings are reachable. Next, select voicemail and then voicemail settings. If prompted, enter your voicemail number or select retrieve via network. You do this because the phone routes missed call audio through the carrier's server. Setting the number links the phone app to that mailbox securely. Now you configure visual voicemail or the standard dial in mailbox. If visual voicemail appears, grant microphone and storage permissions so messages can download and play. Once permitted, enter the carrier voicemail number or follow the prompt to download the carrier app. This syncs message headers and audio. Then create a PIN and record a greeting. This authorizes retrieval and prevents unauthorized access. Do this because visual voicemail provides a message list. While the number finish by testing, call your number from another device, leave a message, and check the phone app or dial your voicemail number to retrieve it. If nothing arrives, go back to voicemail settings, clear cached data for the phone app, and re-enter the voicemail number. This often forces a network reconnection. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning on their side is required. One key troubleshooting tip. Ensure call forwarding on no answer is set to your carrier voicemail number, or voicemail won't capture missed calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.